Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the Outlook font and spacing to normal settings that you can use for all your future emails. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. You'll need to wait a moment while your emails load in completely. This is important because you need full access to all the email composition tools, and those won't be available until Outlook finishes loading your mailbox. Once your emails have loaded and you can see your inbox, the next step is to access your email formatting tools. To do this, click on the New Email button located in the top left part of your screen. This button opens up the email composition window, which is where all the formatting options are available. Even though you're not actually writing an email right now, this is the only way to access the settings you need to change the default font and spacing. Now that the email composition screen is open, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all the tools and menus are displayed. You'll see several tabs up there, and you need to click on the one labeled Format Text. This tab contains all the formatting controls for your emails, including the paragraph and font settings you're looking to adjust. Once the Format Text menu opens, look for the Paragraph section. You'll notice a small drop-down button in this section. Click on it to open the Paragraph Customization window. This is where you can control how your text is spaced and aligned in your emails. Within the paragraph window, scroll down until you see the line spacing section at the bottom. There's a drop-down button right next to it. Click on this drop-down to reveal the spacing options available. From here, you can set the line spacing to your normal preference, whether that's single spacing, 1.5, or double spacing. Choose the option that works best for you. After you've selected your preferred line spacing, this is the crucial part. Click on the Set as Default button at the bottom of the window. This saves your spacing preference so that every new email you compose from now on will automatically use this setting. Without clicking Set as Default, the changes would only apply to the current email you're working on. Now, to change the font settings, look just to the right of the paragraph section. You'll see a font drop-down option. Click on this and a font customization window will appear on your screen. This window gives you complete control over how your text appears in your emails. From this font customization window, you can change the font family itself, choosing from options like Calibri, Arial, Times New Roman, or any other font installed on your system. You can also adjust the font style, making it regular, bold, italic, or bold italic. And you can set the font size to whatever you prefer, whether that's 10 point, 11 point, 12 point, or larger. Take your time here to configure everything exactly how you want it. These settings will become your default for all future emails, so it's worth getting them right the first time. Once you've selected your font, style, and size, click OK to retain the changes and close the font customization window. And that's it. You've successfully changed both the spacing and font settings in Outlook, and these new settings will now be applied to every new email you compose. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.